Now I'm gonna fill in this blacktop, and I'm gonna use Blacktop Repair, this quickcrete stuff. So I've already learned this stuff makes a mess. You're gonna need gloves. It doesn't come off the skin too easy, but I'm just gonna tuck it in here and compact it into the hole. So here we go. I'm sure I didn't need a 50-pound bag, but that's all I saw at the store. Maybe they have them online in smaller packages, but I'm not sure. I'll use a hammer to pack it in there. So I want it to look something like that. And I'm gonna try and slope it a little bit so it slopes away from this thing. But this is gonna take a while. It's a very manual process. I think that looks pretty good. Better than having a hole there. Awesome.